People make profiles on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, or other social media applications, and display or share their personal photos and videos and engage in the frivolous conversations or chats. A person may think it is a harmless way to pass time, but such things have a habit of quickly getting out of hand and lead to an array of major vices, social ills, and are damaging to one's mental health. Even if you post something innocently, it does not mean the person who sees your display picture or with whom you converse is innocent or to be trusted. For example, there are increasing cases of boys or men receiving photos from women or girls and then later blackmailing them by threatening or circulating them online or to misuse them unless they submit to their demands. So before joining any social media platform, you should be extremely cautious. And if you must utilize them for a particular reason, such as education, you must ensure you protect your modesty at all times.
One world, one nation.
Global Islamic Community.